Rightio, Tully.
Okay.
Fill up the 2 tall containers with milk, halfway to milk with milk.
Okay, halfway.
Halfway up with milk.
You're not going to be that far off that number. So this here is the perfect building site. You've got a great unit to deal with the water. You're not going to have to cut
That'll do.
any trees.
Can we build closer to the
Yep.
beach?
Well, you could, but then that chunk of the island would probably go away.
That'll do.
That setback was
Rightio. Now, see that powder?
6 feet.
Yeah.
Tip that into the pink one.
That's pretty much
Sure.
Tip, yeah, a fair bit of it in.
you still get beautiful.
Okay, how much?
Pour lots.
Okay.
Start tipping and I'll tell you when to stop.
Certainly a lot of room that you can expand and put your main resort center in.
I actually have some architectural renderings.
Righto.
One we go over to the Palapa Bay.
Now put that aside.
Give you some ideas.
So what? That's so fun.
Now tip the citric acid which is in that container there, put that into that milk. Yeah, tip it all in.
All in?
Yeah, go for it.
And then for the brochures, inside of the house, local harbor, inside.
Rightio. Get a... Hang on. Try not to move too much, Tully.
Kitchen and vanity bench tops, shower panels and all feature stone pieces, crafted to fit any space, using stunning marble, granite and reconstituted stone. Impeccable workmanship with exquisite attention to
That's
detail.
a lot.
Of stone.
Got to be really dark.
Found any treasure?
Just keep watching where you're videoing, mate, so you're getting the video right.
Any first of water pipe?
That looks like caramel.
You got to keep it still.
You need wallet, no need to dig for treasure. Fast and easy offer, $5,000. Cash plus within an hour of approval.
You ready?
Yep.
Now, stay, keep videoing.
Do a little bit back.
No, I don't want you back. Right there. Keep it still. You ready?
Yep.
Keep it still.
Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Oh. Can I touch it? Can I touch it?
Oh, it's gotten... Oh no, it's gotten away from us.
Can I touch it?
No, because you'll get stuff on your hands. Oh no!
Get a scoop of it.
I don't want you to make a mess though.